Dawson, we've got a huge problem. It's almost Friday and we haven't done a segment yet.
We graduated.
But I really want to get an A.
The charter doesn't grade us anymore.
Listen, stop flapping your gums. What are we gonna do?
Alright, 2 guys that live together.
Everyone does.
The catch is, they live in a bathroom.
Yeah!
Hey, Goody.
What's up, man? This is my friend Rachel. We'll be in my room. Yeah, this is where I live, right here.
Oh.
Maybe just squeeze in or something.
Nice. Yeah, so I'll give you guys some privacy.
This isn't working.
What wasn't working about
I
that?
feel the need.
Was it the bathtub?
It was the bathtub.
It was the bathtub.
I have a better idea.
It was comfy.
I don't care. We'll do a cooking show. It's on! Hello and welcome to our cooking show, oi! Alright, so you add some of this water, that's two. You add some of this water, that's two. And you got ice water. And that's looking good right there.
Well, you gotta squeeze an egg.
Alright, now I'm just gonna add some kerosene, and here we go, mix it!
Got our next idea.
Please tell me this one's good.
Alright, so we're gonna copy Malk.
We're not copying someone's YouTube video.
Okay, then we'll copy Hot Kool-Aid.
We're not copying the video.
You just don't like any of my ideas. You're really jealous. I try.
I gotta do. I got it. No, that's lame. I gotta do something else. What am I gonna do now that Dawson so rudely left me? I could help you film something, bro. So, what do you want to do? You're always talking about how you want to do a Walking on Sunshine music video, so I can just do that. Yeah, sure, I'll do that. Guess what, let's do it. No! You dance like a psycho. Just get out of my house, okay? God. I don't know why I feel the need to fix this right now, but I really need to. Get back here. Think about what you're doing. Oh, I have. Now. Guess I'm in control now. How'd you do that?